Hello there! If you are new here, I am Madeline. If you're not new here, you're probably wondering where the hell I am. This one is getting a surprise tattoo, and it is adorable. Let me show you. Look at him! We're going with this beautiful, beautiful little snail friend from my buddy Emily. And y'all will remember that she is the one that did my beautiful thigh piece, so this is gonna be fantastic. Let us progress. Alright, this guy's all done. You guys will see it at a point when it's not wrapped. Are you happy?
Yes.
Pleased?
Very happy.
Now, literally, all of us are headed back to our place. We're grabbing Murphy from the pet sitter, we're gonna grab pizza, and then we're gonna go dye my hair. Look how cute this turned out. Emily, don't... Emily? Oh yeah, I fell asleep because we did, oh, a text from Emily. Speak of the devil. But basically, I fell asleep because we didn't finish doing my hair until about 2 a.m. It turned out absolutely fantastically though, and I am a little bit in love with it. It's like a pearl, and I'm emotional about it. It looks so cute. I feel so much more myself. Happy, so happy. And well guys, it was a bit of a short one yesterday, but it was a goodie. Scotty has his new tattoo, I have my new hair, a day of transformations, Transformation Thursday one may call it. But if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like and subscribe, throw a comment down there letting me know whose transformation's better, my hair, his tattoo, and I will see you guys later.